Hi, I am Chandra Vamsi. I will explain about Emertxe embedded system internship microwave oven simulation. Topics during this internship you should have learned introduction to C, conditional statements, loops and operations, arrays and pointers, functions and strings, storage classes, introduction to embedded systems and microcontrollers. Co- Contents: what is embedded system, characteristics of embedded systems, microcontroller views, microprocessor, what is microwave oven, requirements, CLCD, matrix keypad, likely. What is embedded system? Embedded system is a combination of computer hardware and software designed for a specific function. Embedded systems may also function with a larger system. Here some of the applications like automobiles, mobile phones, medical testing systems. There are different types of embedded systems like real-time embedded systems, standalone embedded systems, network or networked embedded systems, mobile embedded systems. Here the characteristics of embedded systems: single function, tightly constrained, reactive and real time. Example: printer always do printing. Cost. Okay. Next, microprocessor. Microprocessor nothing but is a processor where the memory and input are connected to externally. Circuit is complex due to external connection. Like that, microcontroller is nothing but microcontroller is a controlling device where the memory and input output component are in personal present internally. Microcontrollers are present on chip memory. The circuit is very complex. Microcontrollers have more number of registers. What is microwave oven? Microwave oven is used to heat food using electromagnetic waves. There are various modes in microwave, but we are going to implement the following modes only: micro mode, grill mode, conventional mode, and start. Here some of the details about that: grill mode, conventional mode, micro mode, start mode. Here we'll tell about grill mode. Some microwave ovens come with grill element. In this mode, grill heats up to cook or brown the top layer of the food. It's useful for giving a crispy texture to the surface. Convection mode. Microwave ovens with convection capabilities have a fan and heating element. In this convection mode, fan circulates hot air and heat element cooking the food. This mode is similar to traditional oven, suitable for baking, roasting, and crisping. Micro mode. This is standard mode where the microwave emits microwaves to cook or heat food. Microwaves exit water molecules in the food, generating heat and cooking the food. Start mode. Here the start mode used to start the function by the user. Requirements: MPLab ID, Pix, Pixum Lab, PIC 16 F8 777A, PIC X4 LCD, texture switch, MKP timer 2. Here Pixlab, this is Pixmap architecture. Pix Pixlab simulator, PIC 16 F8 777A microcontroller. Here is this one CLCD. CLCD character liquid crystal display. Here this one is MKP matrix keyboard pad. This is a keypad in which number of tactile switches are contained in row and column concept. This is used to more number of user inputs are required and still want to save controller input output lines. Timer. Timer is an important application in any embedded system which is used to default peripheral which maintains the timing of an operation in sync with system clock of an external clock. It has many applications such as measuring time and generating delays. Timer controller is a software designed to count the time intervals between the events. Now, now according to now, Nikhil will explain about project demonstration.
I'm on in the micro, and it is consuming 900 watts of power. And here we can adjust time. We have to set the time in minutes and seconds. Now I am keeping 10 seconds, and we can clear it by using pressing star. And now I'm setting the timer by clicking hash symbol. See, and now micro oven start, and we can resume, pause, and stop the oven. See, after completing it, display the message. Next, again we have four options. We can now I'm going to choose grill option, and I'm going to set the timer for 5 seconds. See, if I press 5, it will pause, and again it will start. And now I'm choosing convection mode. Now here we have to set the temperature, and maximum temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, and now I am keeping 50, and it will take 90 seconds, and you can stop it on. I'm starting the micro oven. So if I press 6, it will stop working. And this is the simulation of microwave oven. Thank you.